Hey YouTube, hope you're having an amazing day. Michael Gerard coming to you from the test kitchen in Los Angeles. Today we're going to take a peek at what's on Mike's desk today, and this is our double door pizza oven. It's designed to be installed for a through wall penetration. You can place it anywhere. One opening ideally is going to be inside the home. And you're going to have our standard stainless steel oven door. On the exterior oven side, we include our double insulated door. So again, this is 304 stainless insulated door, heavy duty. So what this really allows, allows you to have two ovens in one. So you know, you're not limited to just cooking indoors or just cooking outdoors. Something to note is the chimney system is extendable. It comes in 4-foot lengths, 3-foot lengths, 2-foot lengths. So whatever you need, we can fit you out with the correct application. Another note while we're here is all of our oven hearths are pre-tiled with purpose-made baking tiles. These are 3/4 inch tiles, but they're extremely durable and food safe. Your allowance for the wall can be anywhere within this footprint. We have complete plans on the website for this oven, so you'll see architecturally how your builder would install this into your home. But if you're looking to get a very useful oven, this might be a good option for you. The depth of this oven is, this one is 60 inches deep, so it's really a great oven for baking breads, you know, baguettes, long things. And it's also what we use it in the test kitchen for is roasting animals. So like baby lambs, suckling pigs. You know, after making pizzas all day, this oven is going to be saturated with heat. So slow cooking something overnight is a really good idea. 30 inches wide, 60 inches long, and we can configure that even longer or shorter depending on your needs. But for most intents and purposes, this is a really good setup for most clients. We have optional stands to support this product. You're going to get in your oven kit, the insulation, the doors, and then optional is the chimney system. These kits come in 3-foot, 4-foot kits that are all, as I mentioned, extendable. So yeah, if you have some interest, I'll have some links in the section below to the website, and feel free to reach out with any questions. Thanks for watching.